Oh, don't cry. Why are you still upset? Oh, it's just an upset stomach. Maybe you should just lie down.
Ew.
Why don't we make something to help you? Draw some jagged lines. Add some whiteout. When you're done, cut them out and move them into shape. Fold down those points and put a nice face on things. Fill it up with tissues. Always keep something up your sleeves. And always keep a friendly face at hand. Sure comes in handy when dealing with all this slime. Yeah, I'd keep those tissues coming if I were you. Hey, it's lunchtime. Cue the ramyun. Grab the gimbap. But first, let's get the sprunkies ready for some fine dining.
Oh.
Now we can really get things cooking. Fill it up with water. Now grab your favorite ramyun. Instant RUMI ramyun. Never leave home without it. This might take a while. Hey, where are you going? Come back, you guys! We've got toppings! Toppings! Guess this is one of those don't break your noodles households. Oh, you're at the table. Aw, you sprunkies are so well-mannered. It's movie time, and that means popcorn. Which means we need to make some popcorn. Or better yet, we could make a new friend. Or an old friend, like Zoe. Complete with a big smile. She's the perfect movie-watching buddy. Especially when Abby is on the screen. See? This way, the popcorn practically provides itself. Now dig in. Uh-oh! The sprunkies got into Rumi's secret stash! And it looks like they're not the only ones. Careful, this snack bag can bite back. Looks like Rumi's gonna need a helping hand. Ah, Rumi always likes to leave her mark. But we need to stick it to these bugaboos. So a stick of gum should come in handy. Good, we caught a worm.
Ooh.
Make it a straw.
Wow.
I just knew that magic wand was a good investment. Cut it up. It'll really give our hands some bones. Run some string through them. Think of it as the marrow. Now why don't we pay a visit to our new pal, Mr. Roach? Careful, those things put up a fight. Aw, Derpy sleeps just like a little angel. But now he's about to meet 3 new devils. Oh, behave. Remember, he used to work for Genu. Oh, don't cry. Ooh, Derpy's got an idea.
Yeah.
What a clever tiger goblin kitty thing. Rumi has so many skills. Who knew paper folding was one of them? We can use it to make anything, like the Sprunkies' own Derpy. In fact, they can each get a Derpy. Ha! Everyone gets a Derpy. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little Derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits. It's a tie! Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around.
Ooh.
For RUMI, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, RUMI. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out.
Wow.
All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, RUMI. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance, which you can fill with more sand. Keep it coming. We'll tell you when. When? Smooth it out. Make sure to leave room on the top. So we can cover it up with some more pink. Flatten it into place. It's like a mini cake. Which makes it the perfect topper for an even bigger cake. Happy birthday, RUMI! Why don't you make a wish?
Yay!
Spiders and worms? I don't think she wished for that.
Oops.
Still, we can't let a good cake go to waste.
Aw.
Don't worry, RUMI. Here's someone who could help. Who knew a big mouth could come in handy? What a good gator. Ooh, Zoe's got the tea. But do we have some tea for her? Poor Zoe, she's breaking out all over. Guess even pop stars get pimples sometimes. I know you're tough, but I wouldn't pop them. Here, this will help you avoid temptation. But we're sure you won't stop trying. Here, we'll help you kick the habit another way. We just need a tiny Zoe face and fill it up with zits. But maybe throw in a few surprises too. just don't forget the main event, some pimples for popping. Ah, Rumi, you truly are the Wizard of Ooze. Ooh, looks like Zoe wants a turn. Okay, try and see if you can find that Labubu. It's time for Zoe to put the pop in Pop Idol. And it's a great stress reliever, too. Of course, Rumi has her demons, too. Like nail biting, skin peeling. But you'd think she'd be able to handle her inner demon by now. Zoe's here to help. Start by drawing something cute on a plate. And you don't get any cuter than Derpy. Especially with a big pink tongue hanging out. Next, cover it up with some sticky glue. Especially glitter glue. Yes, the glitter's important. Now make sure to spread it around the plate. Okay, Rumi, why not give it a pinch to grow an inch? And see just how far you can make it stretch. Of course, a true artist makes art spring to life. The Saja boys might not be the nicest company, but they can still be fun to have around. Wait, Derple's not a demon. He's just got horns. Aw, I'll remember how animated he was. But he'll live on as precious, precious slime. And he's the perfect shade for Rumi's hair. It looks nice, but something tells me Rumi's got her sights elsewhere. Yeah, it's hard to compete with Ginu. But this gives me an idea for her eyes. Either that or corn on the cob. Just kidding. We're saving that for Zoe. Rumi is sure going to be red in the face. Don't worry. Told you we had a backup. And look, this corn already comes with oil. But you gotta provide your own butter. Try some popcorn. Always more where that came from. It looks like leaves, so I think it counts as a vegetable. Rumi always keeps a small piece of Derpy with her. After all, he sure does make an impression. And there's always room for some glitter glue. Now we've got our own jelly tiger, and he's great! If a little gooey. Yeah, I wouldn't squeeze too hard. Yeah, if you love Derpy, let him go. He'll always find his way back. Meanwhile, I think there's some buried treasure in the sand. Wow! It's a K-pop Demon Hunter's mystery box! Ooh, I hope it's got soda pop. Let's see what's inside. A flexible road? Well, time to let the good times roll. Follow the only road. It's paved and wide and up to code. Ooh, we can't forget the loop-de-loop. And we gotta give gravity a helping hand. But what's the fun of a road without some wheels? Get your engine started. We've got a need for speed. And when you own the road, there's no speed limit. especially when it's a racetrack.